All right, good morning everyone, and welcome back to the Real TN Fishing YouTube channel. I'm about waist deep in the river. Got the waders on this morning. We had a really big rain last night, real big storm come through here in Chattanooga, so I'm gonna try to catch some bait fish this morning and hopefully maybe do a little catfishing, but if not, we'll take anything we can get out here. But that's the goal for today, so we're gonna stay out here. We've got some time this morning, so let's see if we can't have a little bit of luck, and hey, let's go fishing, y'all. Well, out here trying to catch some bait this morning and got that guy. Looks pretty. Can't use him as bait though. We'll keep trying. Out here trying to catch bait this morning so we can try to do a little catfishing. And we keep hooking these bass. It's a pretty good one actually. Sitting here using this light tackle. Let's see here, come here. Where'd he go? I'm out here. Oh boy. That's a hoss right there. That's a good one. Man. Well, get a picture and get him back in. See if we can't catch a little bait so we can do a little catfishing. All right. Ooh. Come here, buddy. It's a good fish. It's a real good fish. All right. Look at that. That's a good one. That is a really good one. Still no bait fish, but I'll tell y'all what, if it just results in catching bass all day long, I am perfectly okay with that. We're gonna snap a picture with him and we're gonna turn him loose. All right, that's bass number 3. Like I said, still no bait fish. And there he goes. All right, we're gonna keep trying. Like I said, we don't catch any bait fish to catfish with. We'll just sit out here and catch whatever we can get. Ah, a little bass, but nothing too crazy. Well, keep trying. Putting up a fight. Boom. Look at that. Sure is pretty. Like I said, some people use bass as bait. Like I said, I think you can use the spotted bass for bait. But I'm just not into using the old green fish for bait. Go, buddy. Off he goes. Can't say that it's been a bad morning, because it hasn't. Just sometimes things don't go as planned when you're out here. Well, we got a mess right there, and that's okay. I'm just grateful to get to come out here, especially with all that I've had going on here as of late. I couldn't have asked for a better day to be out here on the water. Well, we still have some time left. Let's see if we can't catch a couple more old green fish. Alrighty, probably another bass. Nope, it's a crappie. Huh. Well, that's a slab right there too. Look at that. Well, it's not a green fish, but I'm still not gonna cut him up either. This is a nice crappie though. There he goes. You know, I'm sure a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, you caught plenty of bait to go catfishing today. I really, like I said, I wanted to come out here and catch some bluegill or some shell cracker. That is my preferred bait when I'm catfishing. I'm sure that crappie would have made really nice bait. I don't know. We'll just keep doing what we're doing. See if we can't catch a couple more. So I made the mistake last week. One, I didn't check my gear and check my knots and everything, which I did today. And two, I always want to make sure that drag is set right, because especially when you're fishing with minnows like this, you never know what you may hook into. You could hook into a bass, a crappie, a catfish, a drum, I mean anything. So like I said, we're not using but 8-pound Mr. Crappie line here. I think it's 8-pound, but I mean it's not the strongest, so you want to make sure that that drag is set so you don't have an instance like this. Well, line broke. Happened again. That was last week, and I feel like that was a pretty good fish we lost. We've done a lot better today. It's just the simple things, you know. Stuff like that doesn't take any time at all, and that right there will make or break a fishing trip. All right. It's another crappie. I think we're actually going to cut him up and use him as bait. I didn't do the last one, but I think we're going to do him, and we're going to try to catch a catfish. See if we don't have some luck. Yep. Especially with it as windy as it is. Pretty good fish. Well, I said it was a good fish. He's not horrible. A good hook set. Not too bad. There we go. All right. Off we go. It's been a pretty good day. We got a little while longer, so we do got one catfish pole out, so we'll see if we catch anything. All right, guys, I don't know exactly how many fish we've caught today, but it's been a pretty good morning. The wind is just getting absolutely unbearable out here. It's almost impossible to fish in. Seemed like we had a good bite on the catfish pole there, but I just didn't get the hook set. Unfortunately, he got away, but we'll try again next week. As always, thank y'all for tuning in and taking a little time to go fishing with me. All right, everyone. So, as I was shooting the outro, my buddy Corey's rod went off. He was unfortunately at his truck, so I was able to land this guy right here. I think he weighed right at 16 pounds, so didn't get a video of me reeling him in because I dropped the GoPro, because I was just wanted to make sure I didn't lose that fish, because I lost a catfish just right before that. But man, what a day. I think ended up with like 11 or 12 fish total, so I couldn't ask for a much better day. Warmer weather, was a little windy, but hey, 100% worth it. As always, thank y'all so much for taking some time to go fishing with me today, and if you haven't already, hit that like and that subscribe button for me, and there'll be a new video next week. Not quite sure what kind of video yet, but we'll find out sometime middle of the week or so, and I'll let y'all know. Well, until next time, God bless, and hey, let's go fishing, y'all.